Good morning children, welcome to the GK session. Today we are going to see from page number 28. Let's start. Okay, take your GK reader and follow with me children. First we are going to see about plants and animals. About plants and animals. Is it true? Okay, is it true? See option A, tick true or false. Tick true or false. First one, no two zebras have identical stripes. No two zebras have identical stripes. So it is true. Okay, second one, only the female mosquitoes bites. Only the female mosquitoes bites. Yes, it is true. See the third one, all canaries sing beautifully. All canaries sing beautifully. So but it is false. Okay. False. Only few canaries can sing beautifully. So it is false. See the fourth one. Unlike the ostrich, the rhea and the emu can fly. Unlike the ostrich, the rhea and the emu can fly. It is false. See the fifth one. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. It is true. See the sixth one. Conservation means steps taken by people, government and organizations to protect trees, plants, animals and nature. Yes, it is true. See the seventh one. Dogs are short-sighted. Dogs are short-sighted. Short-sighted means they can see the near one but they cannot see the far away things or persons. So it is true. Eighth one, an owl can see even in total darkness. An owl can see even in total darkness. It is true. Ninth one, poachers are people who care for wild animals. It is false. Poachers are people who does not care for wild animals. So here it is given as who care for wild animals. So it is false. See the 10th one, a bull gets angry when it sees the color red. A bull gets angry when it sees the color red. So it is false. Now moving on to the next page. It is about plants and animals. It is about plants and animals. The insect word. The insect word. Unscramble the letters to get the name of each insect. Okay. You have to unscramble the words given in the bracket. Okay. See the first one. First one, dash are usually attracted to white flowers. They can see the color white easily in the dark. So the answer is moths. They are attracted to white flowers. They can see the color when white easily in the dark. So the answer is moths. M-O-T-H-S, moths. See the second one. The ears of a dash are near its knees. The ears of a grasshopper. Okay, the ears of a grasshopper are near its knees. Okay, children. See, you can see that picture. See the third one. Dash are the fastest flying insects reaching speeds of over 50 km per hour. They have 4 wings and can fly backwards. The answer is dragonfly. See the picture here. The answer is dragonflies are the fastest flying insects reaching speed of over 50 km per hour. They have 4 wings and can fly backwards. Okay, children, see the fourth one. There are more kinds of dash than there are varieties of any other creatures. The answer is beetles. You can see the picture here. Okay, there are more kinds of beetles than any other creatures. So the answer is beetles. B-E-E-T-L-E-S, beetles. Moving on to the next page. Page number 30. Culture, sports and fun. Culture, sports and fun. Sports roundup. See, tick the correct option. See the first one. In 2017, she became the highest ever scorer in women's one-day international cricket. The answer is Mithali Raj. So tick the A option. See the second one. The movie Dangal is about a father played by Amir Khan who coaches his daughters to become champion. The answer is option A, wrestlers. Option A, wrestlers. See the third one. The PKL was started in 2014. It is very popular now. PKL stands for what? See option B, Pro Kabaddi League. The PKL stands for option B, Pro Kabaddi League. So tick B option. See the fourth one. A long distance race 42.195 km for athletes is called as marathon. Option A, marathon. So tick A option. See the fifth one. The Tour de France is the most famous race of its kind in cycling. Option B, cycling is the answer. Tour de France is the most famous race of its kind is cycling. Option B. See the sixth one. Sachin Tendulkar, Sourav Ganguly, Abhishek Bachchan, MS Dhoni and John Abraham own ISL football teams. ISL football teams. Option B. Seventh one. In 2017, dash thrower Devendra Jajaria became the first para-athlete, an athlete with a disability, to win the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The answer is javelin. Okay, in 2017, javelin thrower Devendra Jajaria became the first para-athlete to win the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Okay, option A, javelin is the answer. So tick option A. Moving on to the eighth one. She has won more Grand Slam women's singles titles than any other tennis player. The answer is option B, Serena Williams. Option A is Venus Williams and option B is Serena Williams. The correct answer is option B, Serena Williams. See the ninth one. She is a great tennis player from Spain. What is the answer? Option A, Garbiñe Muguruza. Option A, Garbiñe Muguruza. Option A is the answer. Now take page number 31. It is about culture, sports and fun. Culture, sports and fun. The magic of music. The magic of music. See, wind instruments are an important part of an orchestra. There are two types of wind instruments. One is brass and another one is woodwind. See, brass instruments are made of metal, usually brass. Okay, the sound of a brass instrument is produced by the musician's lips vibrating against the mouthpiece so that the air vibrates in the tube. Okay, these are some examples of brass instruments: a trumpet, a trombone, a saxophone. See, the second type of instrument is wind instruments, or generally made of wood. The sound is produced by the vibration of air in a hollow tube. The examples are piccolo and oboe. See here, tick the correct instrument. First one, L. Shankar plays it. He plays flute or violin. The answer is violin. See the second one, U. Srinivas plays it. U. Srinivas plays it. The options are mandolin and santoor. The correct answer is mandolin, option A. See the third one, Pandit Ravi Shankar's daughter Anushka Shankar plays it. Pandit Ravi Shankar's daughter Anushka Shankar plays it. Options are sitar and sarod. The correct option is sitar. You can see her picture in the page.